Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can enable red notifications for text messages on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. And let's get down to our topic. First of all, please open your phone settings. Next, in the settings, scroll down until you find the Messages option. Scroll down to that. And here a little scroll down you can find an option called Send Red Notifications. Unfortunately, my iPhone model doesn't have this option, but if you have a newer iPhone model, you will have it. And in order to enable it, you'll just need to click on the button opposite it to activate it, like I just did. And then you'll have an instant red notification. That is, after activation of this function, people who sent you messages, they will be able to see when you read them. And this option will work for absolutely all your interlocutors. Friends, this is how you can quickly and very easily enable red notifications for text messages on iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.